appreciate you tuning into my channel. All right. So this is what I accomplished today, and it actually took me upwards of a good 2 to 3 weeks to actually install this kit, because I have to take the bike apart to actually put these decals on it. And the reason why I chose to go with these decals is because I like the way the corse, you know what I'm saying, edition and the version looks, but the fairings that come actually painted for that particular bike in that variant, they're in the upwards of $2,000. So I wanted to actually see, is this something that I wanted to actually invest my money in. So this decal kit actually comes from Germany. I'll put a link into my description. And what it does is it mimics, and it actually looks just like the corse kit, except I want to say the actual corse edition is a different color. So it will be like that orange color. If you actually, it will take you to actually put one next to it to actually, tell the difference in the color. But I actually like it. The only thing that threw me off was, the front end, the decal kit was actually blue, which I went ahead and put my little twist on it because I didn't like the way it came all the way up, and just, I wanted to separate it a little bit, and it made it a little easier to wrap. So I actually was going to not use this piece and just cut the blue out, and I decided to go ahead and put it on after the fact. But I like the way it looked. I like the way it turned out. It is a little different. I guess if you set one up next to it and compare them, you can actually tell. But give or take, I like it. Let me know what you think. Give me some messages in the comment section. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. This kit was, I want to say, $178. It was well worth it. Reason being, like I said, the difference between the whole fairing kit and the actual decal kit was $1,800. So I wanted to see, was that something I wanted to invest my money in, and this decal kit doesn't hold up, which I think it will, but I may just go ahead and get the actual full fairing kit just because I like the way this edition is. If you like my video, if you want to see more of my stuff, please like and subscribe, and I got a lot more stuff